Greetings, you tubulators and tubulettes. Got to get them girls in there some way. Here's what we're doing right now for a few seconds. I've got to weld this little bitty button on, the little Uzi. And this back little bracket fixes the fire control group. The pistol grip and all the goober stuff that works this thing. So what you're looking at, that piece and this piece, is over $40. So these are not cheap, these little guns. And the cat's rubbing on my legs, trying to get me to fall. Of course, I worked the ground yesterday, but thankfully a bunch of rusted metal stopped it. So I got a swelled up wrist and some scars, and I'm happy as a hog's liver. They said happy as a dead pig in the sunshine. Okay. Oh, I got Pearl in here. Hi, Pearl. Before I take it on a... Boy, I better take this off before I forget it. Before I take this on a long journey, like to town, I wanted to set the valves on it, the valve lashes. So, I knew that the Heavy Chevy boy would do a good job. But this stuff is setting the valves has been drummed into me from everybody, and so I just decided to do it and have peace of mind. What little peace of mind I got, I have peace of mind. So I got them all set and tightened down and greased over and stuff. So that's about it. How are you there, Gustav? Huh? My little sock muffin. Oh, that's poor baby. Oh, you're so silly. You're getting so fat. You were just you were no bigger than your head. Eating all them good victuals. Okay, we're going to set this over here and try to make a Benny Odm. You say Benny Odm when there's a mistake. And Benny Odm was a famous guy. I'll tell you that story some other time, but think of Benny Odm whenever something happens or it goes to Memphis. Okay. Trade me hats. And put my gloves on. Cat. Put me gloves on. I should have had this all ready to go, you know. Grab my pinchers. I've got a lovely welding station here, at least until I get my vise fixed. And then who knows? Now, where can I do that? Right there? I'll get a good one right here. Maybe. Did I turn that on? Well, no, in a minute. No, I didn't turn it on. Rats. It's on now. A little slap with the thing and hi-hos over. This don't have to be on there much. It just holds that plastic hand grip. And you know what? Well, that's still good. I need another electrode attached to this bad boy. Ah! Now, Texas Viking, he can weld air. He don't need all this crap, but me, I need all the help I can get. Sit there, boy. I bet it'll go zzz now. Watch your eyes, Goose. Oh, Goose's gone. I'm going to shorten that some. Maybe I'll do this side since that's sticking out good. Huh. Now this welder has always had that pulse in it. It goes nee, nee, nee. And it may be why it was a reconditioned thing. And then I bought it after the fact. So it may be a flaw in its armor. It has a flaw in its armor again. Hey! That's what I get. I don't know if that hit the bottom or not. Come here. Make sure my glove's not on fire. I don't think that's sticking to the thingy. Sure looks good on the stop though, by gosh. Here, now take that. Huh, okay. Quit that. Let's go around this way. Come on. That looks like everything but a weld. It's going to come off of there sure as Dixie. There. Okay. Let's do this. That's what it was. Had my foot hung. Easy now. I got the barrel in it to keep everything aligned. Sit there. That's good. I'm not too happy about this mount though. I think all the weld stuck to it and not the receiver. So, you know what that means. Stupidity. Okay. I'm not happy, but I'm satisfied. Note to me. This is an important piece of equipment. Now then, I'll spend the rest of the day wire wheeling off all the slag. Okay. Bring that there to fall. And I think that's it. Wonder if I could put y'all here, let you watch me wire wheel this. Boy, won't that be exciting, boys and girls. Okay. Man, I am such a good thingy. There. That hit the floor like holy show. We don't know the floors here. Now everybody showed me how to use these goggles. And they have preached to me, and I figured out as much metal as I got in my eyes already. I'm happy with just no more metal. Well, one time I came outside and I heard a whirring noise, and this poor little thing was still running from the day before. Either that or the mice was out here making stuff. Of course, it's from Minnesota. Go Vikings. So I don't even know. They've changed up everything. I don't know who's playing for who anymore. But anyway, I was a big football guy. Anyway, I'm looking at this and you're not even seeing it. Let me put this still and I'll let you guys fly over the top of it. I'll get this in a minute. Here is the Franken-Welder. Yeah, I know. That looks like goober looks like snot on the doorknob there, boy. I may have to egg out that hole a little bit because there's a pin goes through there. But I think they're on there. So, a little bit of dremeling, using a Dremel, and it'll be alright. Okay. So, gee, I think I'm done. You guys are saying, yay, hit the button, hit the button. I will. Now the last video I made, it looked like Barnabas Collins filmed it. There, you're in my everything drawer. So maybe you can see some more daylight here. What is that? I moved a ton of stuff out of here and aired up Harold's tires. So now he rolls freely. And it's getting ready to be the main thing. I got this going better, got Pearl going better. And I put a clutch in this extra engine here, clutch disc and everything. And I put it back in the Elizabeth from the heavy Chevys, put it back in it, and it will be a running driving thing. I've got to rewire the charging system like I did this one because they're not copacetic. And maybe I'll be done this winter. As soon as we have a winter, maybe I'll be done with the Volkswagens for a while, other than fixing roll-up window on this, which I need to do in case I want to order some French fries. So get the little German things done, and then I can start on my little British car again. If I can remember where I left. Don't you bat your ears at me. I bet you weigh 20 pounds. Look at this thing. Why ain't you a Labrador Retriever? Oh, I want a yellow Labrador Retriever. Can I have a little? Okay, I have to paint you yellow. Boy, wouldn't that be fun? Right, Puss? Okay, down you get. Patonk. Boy, your rear end is wide as Aunt Mervin's. Okay, Benny Odm, right quick. Benny Odm was a very special guy, and his daddy raised him since he was a pup. And Benny always had different ideas. He always talked very differently. And his dad talked very differently too, but there's Arkansas boys. They're from Searcy County. And Benny would throw rocks at his daddy. And mean as you are. Anyway, and his dad Herschel, he says, "Son," says, "do not hurl stones at your father. You might hurt him." And anyway, when Benny got big enough to work, his daddy thought very much to get him out of the house. He was already 30, so he got him a job with him working on the highway department. And he didn't want to run the tractors or do any of the real work, so he stayed at the shop. And they said he was so lazy he had to put a possum in his shirt to help him to breathe. So they put him to rebuilding an engine, a 336 or something like that, in one of their dump trucks. And he got it done, and of course it took him a year to do it. And his dad took it up the hill there at Marshall, up Backbone Mountain, and it locked up and screeched all the tires. Eee! And then they had it all towed back in, and they took it apart, and his daddy looked under it, and he says, "Oh son, it looks like you've left the oil pump out of her." So that's Benny Odm for you. And he did lots of other things. But that's all I got time for right now. Did I step in something? No. It's a piece of vacuum hose. Thank the goodness. Okay, I love y'all too. It's 75 today. And it's January 12th. Tomorrow is Marianne's birthday. Make sure I don't forget it. I think I'll go into town and get her a card and something frivolous like, cookies or flowers or something. And tomorrow morning I'll sneak into her bathroom. I'll take a little piece of soap. Hopefully she's got bar soap there. I've got bar soap if it doesn't. And I'll put a big heart on her mirror in her bathroom where she gets ready to go. And I'll put "Happy Birthday, Beautiful Woman" or something like that. And her face will be just framed in that beautiful heart and stuff. Won't that be a cool thing? Yeah. They're one of Dadburn, what do you call them? Redbird's cardinals. Okay, I love y'all, and y'all have fun. And, enjoy this warmer weather. Those of us that has it. Me, I'm sweating. I need to put my shorts on. Okay, bye-bye.